Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. A loose or broken door handle can be quite annoying when you're trying to use the oven. In many cases, the handle screws are easy to tighten, but in some models, the screws are hidden away inside the door. If the handle is still loose after tightening the screws, then it's likely that the threads are stripped or the plastic is cracked. In this episode, I'll show you how to take apart the door to replace the handle. To begin, you'll need a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and gloves. Now, if you need a new door handle, then you can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. From there, you'll see a parts breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed for your model. When working on your oven, it's always best to disconnect power at the breaker. Since there might be some sharp edges, it's best to wear cut-resistant gloves. Open the oven door. Many doors have locking tabs that secure the door hinges. Use a flat blade screwdriver to release the locks. Now close the door until it rests partially open. Lift up to move the door off the hinges. Next, pull the door backwards. Now set the door on a clean work surface. Though it's not necessary in all cases, it can be helpful to remove the outer glass panel. The outer door glass is held together by the top cap, two side pieces, and a lower bracket. Remove the screws at the bottom. In some cases, you can remove the outer glass and frame as one piece. In other models, you'll have to separate the lower bracket first before sliding out the glass. The handle screws are either on the top or on the inside of the door, so you might have to flip the door over. Remove the screws. Now separate the handle and the top cap. In some models, the handle is connected through a mounting bracket. Unscrew the bracket and separate the pieces. If your model has a top cap that is separate from the handle, then you'll have to align the holes of both pieces. You can use the screws to help line up the holes. Next, tighten the screws. Now, if the door uses mounting brackets, then you'll have to screw the brackets into the new door handle. Next, align the handle and tighten the screws. If your model has two side pieces, then attach the sides to make the frame. Now slide the glass in so it is secure under the top cap. Align the lower bracket and make sure that the edge is holding the glass in place. Next, replace the screws. Now, if the frame and glass are all one piece, then align the frame and push it into place. Now, tighten the bottom screws. With the door almost closed, align the door hinges into the slots on the oven. You might have to push it slightly forward till it catches and drops into place. Next, open the door all the way. Now push the locking tabs back into place and close the door. Finally, reconnect the power. For more troubleshooting videos on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our neighboring location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.